Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called inclusiveness. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, we would like to open the terminal. So you just type your as sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type your as net discord -i. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine is here. Now just quit. Now you just type it as nmap -34 -a is an address scan and enter our targeted IP address. So let's wait now for the nmap result. So I have got the nmap result. One is available with the FTP, another one is available with the 22. That is for SSH. Another one is available with the port 8. Now let's open the Firefox. Then enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.115. Now we can see here this is an Apache board server. We would like to look the pesos. There is nothing else in the pesos, so we just close this. Now let's come back. We just try file a new tab. Now we just make it as a little bit big. Now let's you have as FTP. Now we would like to go for as FTP, that's with anonymous credential logins. Now just type +-a. Just go to a public. Let's now just type +-a. There is nothing else, so I just type it as exit. Now I just type it as clear. Now I just type with the directory buster. So in the directory busters I can see only with the robots.txt file. There is nothing else apart from that. We would like to open this robots.txt, but you are not a search engine. You cannot read my robots.txt file. Okay, now we would like to open the pubsort. Let it open this. Just click on OK. Then here click on next and start the pubsort. That's it. Now let's wait for this. Now you just click on OK here, come to an proxy tab. You just make it as interception is up. Now I would like to make it as a little bit yes. Now it's look like quite very good. Now try to just need to set up here as pubsort. Then try to here you have got here in the, you can look here in the request headers. Now I can make it as a little bit big. Now in the user agent, now you just click on this. In the value we just put here as a Googlebot. Now you just click on apply changes. Then you just need to forward. You can see here there is a secret information. Now we just copy this one. Let's come back here. Then let's just paste it here. Just forward this. It's given as a DNS Jonesek transfer attack, but we not yet get any useful information. So first we would like to look here. That's it. So it's English with Spanish, a mix one. Now we would like to look for the is what we would like to try here a further. We would like to look here more. Now so where it was given with the language with the ES or EN PHP, we would like to utilize this one. Let's come back here. Come back here. I just put here language english.php equal to, we can try here as a local file inclusion as etc as password. Then let's just make it as forward. Now I didn't get anything else as useful. Then we just try here as a etc, otherwise a password. Let's just so this every time. So I think where we would like to get here. So you no need to make anything else. So here we just need to look here as, let's come back here, language only. So let's we just we don't need to try on this. We would like to try here is, we would like to remove this etc as password. Let I would like to make it as forward. Yes, I'm getting here with now everything as a root xyz things. Okay, now let's, you can look here where server with FTP user bin as no login. Okay, that's okay, it's well and good. uh, Now we would like to try to create as something. Let's come back here. Let me just type here as clear. Now I just made as off this one. Now let's come back here as a nano, as a backdoor.php. Now in this case you just need to write a simple command for a PHP. Then you just put here as a system, then you just put as $_get, then put here as a CMD. That's it. That's it. So otherwise you just leave a gap. Now just type Control O, Control X. So let me, I can show you here as cat a backdoor.php, where I have seen here this is a backdoor PHP. Okay, that's now well and good. Now what is your next target? Here is your next target here. We would like to walk to here as a FTP, as go to here as anonymous. Now go to here as public. Now just write first, let's minus here. Now just put this as a backdoor.php. That's it, where we have put here as successfully. Now let me, I just type here as exit. Now just type here as clear. Now your target is, we would like to go back here. We just try to as a refresh. Okay, that's now it's getting here. Now we would like to try here as where we would like to go to here as ZSB. Now we would like to try here is so where I would like to go for as a FTP. Uh, then in a FTP folder is public as a backdoor.php, and cmd equal to id, where I would like to see here, I would like to get here as exactly www.data. So that's great. Now I have successfully got it here as www.data. Now in this case, now what we would like to try here, now we would like to try here is so either we can put a reverse shell, then try to get it out here. Otherwise, how we can try to get it here as we would like to try here. Okay, I would like to try to here as putting this PHP reversion. So we would like to try here as ls. So I have here already a reversion.php. First, you would like to look here as AI config. This is your targeted IP address 192.168.18.122. That's great. Now, your next target is you just need to put a PHP reversion into the FTP folder. Now let's walk to as FTP. You just type it as a anonymous. No, uh, let's you just put this. So you just type it as clear. Just put here as a mousepad. rshell.php. That's great. In this rshell.php 9740, that's the port. Okay, we have got it here. Now we just type it as FTP. Then log in with anonymous. I just type plus minus l cd as public plus minus l, and I just put here as a rshell.php where I have successfully put here. And I just type it as exit. And I just type it as clear. Just put here as netcat minus lvmp sorry 9740. That's it. Now let's come back here. Now where into the let's go to here as public. Now we would like to type here as a rshell.php. Now I have successfully get a connected here. Now just type id, we have got it here. Now just type here as which Python, I have got it here. Now let's we would like to try to for a privilege escalation. Now we would like to type here as Python minus c import as pdy span bin bash. Now that's great. You just type here as ls minus l. Now we would like to go to here as a home directory. Now I just put here as a export a tab equal to xtab. Now that's great. Now just type as plus minus l. cd here as a tom plus minus l. Now where we can see here as a cat a root shell dot c, where you can look here in the top. I have got this as a root shell dot c. Now I would like to do here, let's here where you can see here p open as who am I with the root. Okay, now let's make it as very simple for this one. I just make it as a clear. Now we would like to go to here as a cd temporary directory. Now in the temporary directory, what you need to make here, we would like to walk to here as we just type as pwd. We are in the temporary directory. Now just type plus minus here. Just type it as a echo printf as a top. We just need to get a top. For top, just type here as who am I. We have got it here. So we would like to look here is okay, no worries. Now just type here as chmod 777 who am I, where I have got it here. Now you just need to add a temporary path variable to help to get a root privilege access. So for that, we just type here as a export. We would like to export the path equal to in as a temporary, to get as a temporary for a path folder. That's great. Now we just type it as echo as path. We are in the path. Now we just type it as cd as home. Come to a top. Now just type plus minus here. Now we have here as a root shell. There is any type of things like a flags or something else here. Now just type it as a root shell. Now access is granted. Now just type id. We are in the root access. So we just type it as cd as a root plus minus l. We just type it as cat a flag.txt. So you give cyber squad. So where we have successfully completed this mission. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.